Hello everyone, this is John from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Eletta cappuccino. It's super automatic machine, and had came into the shop because one of the people using this machine put way too much ground coffee into the top of the machine, kind of jammed the brew unit, messed around with the inside of the machine. I was able to remove the older brew unit. I do have it here. Let me get it out for you. And we put a brand new one in there. When you pick up your machine, it will have a brand new one, just in case there's any damages to this one or anything like that. But here's your original one. Yeah, it just doesn't look the greatest. But we did replace it with a new one. And then we deep cleaned the inside of your machine because, when you put that much coffee into the grounds, it's going to get all over the place. Wiped down the whole inside of the machine. Did a tune-up on the machine, replaced some of the gaskets on there, re-lubricated parts of the machine that moves a lot. Added new gaskets to the parts of the machine that needed it. Also did descaling. Now, descaling with this thing was really hard because we did not receive the hot water tap. The machine would not allow you to descale without the hot water tap, so we did find a way around it. It just took a little while longer. And then these spouts were very, very nasty, full of coffee. I did multiple, probably around 4 cleaning cycles on this machine just to clean out and try to get it, opened up those spouts. So yeah, now we're here, and now we're going to test the machine. We're going to start with a single shot, and again, since we don't have the hot water spout or the steamer, we can't test any of the other functions. But I did just clean around the machine and clean the inside of the machine, just to make sure everything was all good and looking great. But we're just going to brew a normal standard coffee. Looking good. This is our test coffee we have in the grinder. It's a little old, so don't worry about it. Looking a little weird. But yeah, that's about it for this machine. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.